I actually want to talk about a feature I did in this application. This is welcome email, the email system altogether. So I built a system where email system that is very flexible for the application owner to use, which means they can actually write their own welcome emails for their users. Most developers just like set up the welcome email on the back end because basically static. But this time I created an email system where the owner of the application can set up reminders themselves. The application about points, buying points. You can redeem the points for services that the client actually offer. So you subscribe for any of their plans, and monthly each of those money translates to a point, and you can redeem that point to the services that the client actually offers. Okay, they needed to set up reminders email, which I could have just set up once in the backend, but I wanted it to be flexible for the application owner. So I designed an email system where they can actually write the reminder emails by themselves and set up welcome email by themselves, and they can set up reminder emails for different things like user reminders for users that their application, their subscription is about to expire. They get a reminder, and they can set up how long do they want the emails to be sent before the expiry date. Okay, so they set up like 2 days, 3 days, 7 days, whichever way. This is the dashboard for admin, and we have some features here, but let's just go straight to the email. So we go to the email, you will see the list of emails here, and this is summary. Here you can see sent email and active emails and inactive campaigns. So emails that are sent instantly regarded as sent email, then other emails that are still having ongoing active campaign regarded as active campaigns. Alright, so this one, when you select an email to be delivered instantly, that means the email will be sent instantly. There are three types of emails. So you have instant emails, scheduled emails, and event-driven emails. So let's look at them. Click on add email here. You see the email pop up. So emails are actually active when you want to send them. You can turn it off. When it's turned off, no other setting there will apply. It will not be sent, it will not be triggered, and all of that. So look at the email type. So here you can select different types. For instant email, you have to provide recipients for instant email. So if you can provide multiple recipients, just add comma and you add them. All right, you can add multiple comma, you add them. You can remove them. Okay, provide the subject, provide the email itself, body, email body, and you can work with this bold, italics, underline. You can add link. It was just something basic. Then you can send. All right. Now, how about if email type is event driven? For event driven, there are two types of events. You have welcome email and reminder email. For welcome emails, you just have to provide the subject and the message. Now, this is exactly what I talked about in the video, that the client can set up the welcome email by themselves. I have one I set up here for demonstration purpose. The client will set up their own, and whoever that signed up on the system, this email will be sent to the user. There can only be one welcome email, so whenever you update that, it overwrites the one that is existing before. So that means the client owner and the admins of the application can actually update and change their welcome email anytime they want, instead of like reaching out to the developer to do that for them. All right, so that's for welcome email. So you also have reminder email. If you select reminder, reminders are actually useful for events that have dates, expiring dates. For instance, this is a subscription-based application where users subscribe to a plan and they get billed every month. So it is good to remind the user that their subscription is about to expire. So when you select event type of reminder, you have event targets, you have points, because the application basically is about buying points and using the points, using the point that you redeem to purchase services that the client offer. Okay, so it gives users flexibility to gather points and redeem something with it. So 1 point equals to $1. That's basically what the application is. So on reminder, we also have subscription and points. If you select subscription, it means the user's subscription itself on the application, they will receive reminder email for it, because users subscribe every month, automated payment every month. You can decide how many days you want us to send the reminder email to them. So instead of depending on the developer for all of this in the back end, you can do this in front end and the system will pick it up. So you can decide how many days. For instance, you select 7 days. So it means this email you're setting up now will be sent to the users. Okay, 7 days to the expiration of their subscription of their points. This is for points. If it's subscription, the same thing, to be 7 days to the expiration of the subscription. If it is points actually expires in 3 years. So if you select 7 days, so it's going to be 7 days to 3 years when the point will be expiring. We send out this to them. All right. In the future, I also want to set up repeat class. So if you select repeat, the email will be repeated. They also select interval, how many days interval do you want us to repeat the email, and how many times you want us to repeat the email. So I'll add that in the future. So you can select, okay, I want this email to be repeated 3 times. I want the intervals to be 2 days, something like that. All right. Now the good thing about the reminder email is that you can set up custom recipients. If you want to add, you want this email to contain specific recipients who will receive the email, you can add it here. So once you turn this on, you can just provide recipients for it and just add command, it will be added. All right. But if you don't want to add specific recipients, just want the system, you want this to be the default reminder email for every user in the application, then you just have to turn this off. And once you turn it off, you just have the subject and email to provide. Now, once you provide the content of the emails and the subjects and this setup, this application will pick all of this setting and send out the emails based on what you send here. So if you select this type of email now, you didn't add any recipient, what the system will do is that it will check this email, then check users that have 7 days before the expiration of their subscription, then trigger this email and send it to them. That's basically what it does. All right, so I've explained what this simply do, and so nothing much. So but this is one I use as demo. So if you click on view now, you can see it. So welcome. So once a user signs up, they get to see this email. The owner of the application can actually write it the way they want. This is view only. If you want to edit it, click on edit, then you can edit it. All right. So let's let the user sign up and let's see how this works very quickly. I'll log out with this user. I'll click on sign up, and I'll use a random email provider. Just copy this email. So let's just call this user Jack. Provide this email, provide their phone number, and agree to terms and conditions, then sign up. So while signing up, you onboard in process of sign up. So you subscribe to a package while signing up, right? So click on next, and here you see all their subscription plans. These are their plans. This is $29 per month, gives you 29 points per month. Gives you 348 points in that 1 year. They have this one, Explorer, $75 per month. And the good thing about this is that you can actually set up this plan yourself in the front end. You can set it up yourself. Everything you can set it up yourself. All right. So let's select this one. Okay, let's select this adventurer. And so this user will pay $150 per month to earn 150 points per month, and we earn 1,800 points in 1 year. Okay, so we are good, and let's click next. This is just summary of your order, the name of the order, how much you're billing, then how much the next billing date, every 30 days. So all right, so we are good. Then we can just click next. So here is where we pay, and for now we just have the Stripe payment credit card. So just select it. Okay, so let's just use Stripe test card because it's Stripe incorporated. So let's just select card and choose Stripe test credit card 1029 333. And here let's call it Jag, the name of the guy we use, United States. Okay, address New Evans. We just choose any address here. So we are good. Just click submit. Perfect. So this user has subscribed to the application, and I think the user subscribed for $150 per month. So let's check the email. So good, you can see they received 2 emails. This is the welcome email, the one that has been set up in the front end. So these are built with it. So now that's it. So the client can set up the email content the way they want, and it works. And this is for confirmation of subscription. Okay, they are received for subscription. That's how it works, right?